When you are given a word problem, translating problems to more algebraic language may ease your work. We are given a logistic model for the population of fish in a lake. In order to find the number of fish in the 10th month, we need to substitute 10 in the f of t model. So that's f of 10. Second part is asking for the rate when t is 5. Rate of change means derivative, so we need f prime of 5. And part C is asking for the most rapid increase. It is still rate. When does this maximum happen? We need x coordinate of the maximum point of f prime of t graph, or we need to solve f double prime of t equals to 0 equation. Let's start. I often define the function in a calculator page with this define symbol. Pay attention while using number e. If you use letter E instead, your calculator will give an error. I use letter E. Let's try to calculate f1 of 10. I use letter E while typing my equation, and here is the error. Instead, you can recall and you can change this letter E with number E, which is darker as you see. So part A of the question is f of 10, and here's our answer. Our answer must be discrete since we need to find number of fish, so it is 235. For part B, we need a derivative of f of t. Under menu and calculus, we can obtain it. Our t is 5. We just need to write our function, and here's our answer. You can also use the symbol button to recall the first derivative. Then you just fill in the blanks. We can define the x value from here, and we obtain the same result. For part C, let's use the graph page. As you see, it shows f2. If you scroll up, you can see f1 is already here, but it's hidden. Let's sketch the derivative function of f1. I'll be using symbol button again. Of course, we only see a small portion of the graph since the numbers are big. You may guess and check some values to make a better fit. And let's find the maximum. It's 15.9. Or instead, we can solve the equation f double prime of x equals to 0. Let's sketch the second derivative as we did before. We need to find x-intercept, analyze graph, and 0. As you can see, we obtain same x value. You can also use the numerical solve option to find the solution to this equation. But graph is always the safer method if you're not sure how many solutions there will be. Thanks for watching. See you at another question.